What's going on, guys? We are back, still in sequence 2, and I saved this for its own episode. I want to shoot someone, but I'm not sure.
I need to concentrate on me work. Just a quick little swipe and no more is. How's that sound, Mr. Church?
How does a bullet to the face sound, bitch? Oh shit, come on, I thought I had my blade out. Breaking those defenses. Pop, pop, pop. Ooh, kick against the wall. Jesus. Damn, I went off. I went hard. He needs a shower.
Who are you?
Hatham Kenway, at your service.
I'm an assassin, bitch.
I don't understand. Why are you here?
Walk with me, Mr. Church, and all will be explained.
Walk with me. Walk, walk, walk. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Not bad, not bad. Making friends is easy. Do 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 do. That's him, dude. He's drinking. He's got his ass whooped. Now he's drinking. Alcoholics in the making.
Johnson's told me what you intend. As it happens, the man who held me is the same one that you seek. His name is Silas Thatcher.
That fancy lad is our slaver?
Don't let his velvet tongue deceive you. A crueler and more vicious creature I've never known.
What can you tell me of his operation?
He hosts at least 100 men, more than half of whom are redcoats.
All this for some slaves?
Hardly. The man's a commander in the
For some
King's
slaves?
in charge of the Southgate Fort.
From slaves.
We need to find a way inside.
Guess we go into the fort now. Whoop, 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 whoop.
In the meantime, I'll attend to our final recruit.
John Pitcairn's our man. I'll take you to him.
Whoa. Alright, where we go? It's loading. It's loading. Ooh, 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 ooh. Are we gonna go hang out with my friend, Mission Man? I'm whistling at this. We ain't gay. Don't push me. I wasn't being gay. Don't push me. I wasn't gay. Stop. Alright, Jesus, God. Man, I wasn't gay. Just trying it to make sure I didn't like it.
Business.
New recruit.
More kindling for the pyre, eh? Well, go on then.
A kindling for the pyre. It's fire, you dummy. It's not
How did you
pyre.
manage that?
Did you forget, sir? My commission is with General Braddock. When I'm not attending to you, of course.
Oh, crap.
Your acts are treacherous. Give me one good reason. I shouldn't kill you right now.
Because you're gay and you like men. And if you kill him, I'm gonna have to butt fuck you. That's it.
Were you planning to announce yourself? Or did you hope my men
Sir,
wouldn't notice your
If
arrival?
you'll allow me to explain.
I like his accent.
By all means. I should like very much to hear this.
I have not deserted, sir. I am here under Commander Amherst's orders.
Show me a letter bearing his seal, and you might be spared the gallows.
I have no such thing. The nature of my work, sir.
It's the sort of thing best not put to paper.
Exactly.
Hatham.
General Braddock.
What's up, bitch?
I suppose I shouldn't be surprised. Wolves often travel in packs.
Master Pitcairn
It's like
won't be here for but a few
little
weeks. I
penis
shall return
guys
to his
traveling
post once
compensation
our work is
packs. You
finished.
freaking put toilet paper in your
devil's
pants, you little
work,
bitch.
No doubt. It's bad enough my superiors have insisted I grant you use of Charles. But they've said nothing about this traitor. You'll not have him.
Edward, listen to reason.
We're done here. See these gentlemen out.
Damn, he's an asshole. Look like some faggot I freaking beat the shit out of.
Well, that didn't go as I expected.
And to think I used to call him brother.
What now? They'll chase us off if we try and return.
We're done with this camp. As luck would have it, so are they. Come along.
What we doing?
Planning to steal Master Pitcairn. What? You'll see. Now, when I give the signal, you're to distract Braddock's patrol and lure them into a dead end.
And then what? We're gonna go butt fuck some people in the corner. We're gonna butt fuck them. We're gonna do it. We're gonna butt fuck them. Butt fuck them. Butt fuck. I'm gonna go special ops on this. No, alright. Alright, oh shit,
Where
special
should
ops.
we head next?
Perhaps down Marlborough.
No. Its residents are too content.
He asked him where to head, and then he told him no.
One of
Way to
Leonard's.
be an asshole.
Yes. Those fresh arrived are often soon in dire straits. They're more likely to seize upon an opportunity to fatten their purses and feed their young.
Shit. We hiding from him? Being sneaky? Alright. Ready, breach and clear, breach and clear. Go.
Now!
Oh shit. I didn't think you were serious. I'm gonna be that kid. I'm that kid. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll find out what happens next time in the next episode, which is gonna be episode 11 or part 11. Thanks for watching.